Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to add a pop-up calendar in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Right. And first open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project and maybe click on this and write data and simple settings text and this, alright, and click on this and write data 8 day slash 8 months slash years 2025. Alright, and click on and press enter and double click, alright, this pop-up calendar and check and select your, or click today, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.